Hello all, Namaste. Welcome to Mother Teacher Training Academy. Today we are going to learn the letter E, the second E. So let's start practicing it. Hope all of you are ready with the things like notebook, pencil and eraser. And here we go. Before that, as always, let's start practicing the previous letter, that is E, the first E. Yes, let's start tracing the letter E. That is a small standing line. English letter S, make a loop and then come down. And a sleeping line across it. This is E. Now let's go for the next letter. That is the letter of the day, that is E, the second E. E, this is E. It's almost the same like our E, the first E, a little difference. That is a small standing line, English letter S, make a loop and drop it down, a sleeping line across it, and there is a small hook kind of thing here, right? So this is E, buddy E. This is called buddy E. Okay, let's do it again. A small standing line, English letter S with a loop, dropping it down, a sleeping line across it, then a small hook. This is English letter E. Let's do it one more time. Small standing line, English letter S with a loop which is dropped down, a sleeping line across it, and then a hook. This is buddy E. What is this? This is buddy E. And the before letter is called choti E. Okay, so this is about letter E. Now let's see the words which are starting with the letter E. That is E say eek. Eek is the sugar cane. Yes, so that is E. E say eek. Right? Next, let's see the next word. That is E say eat. Eat is the brick. Brick we used to construct the houses, bricks. So eat is brick. Next, let's go for the next word. That is E say Eid. Eid is a festival. Yes, so E say Eid. So what are the words we have learned? E say eek, a sugar cane. E say eat, brick. And finally, E say Eid. Eid is a festival, right? So these are the three words, and we have also learned tracing the letter buddy E. That is E. Try to repeat the word when you are writing it. That is E. When you're writing E. Okay, that's great. Super. Now let's see the tip of the day. That is a very simple. Parents, you might be, again, as always, I say, are really worried about engaging your kids. So in this note, I'm here to give you an important tip for this. That is, if you want to give antidepressants, that is, your kids are at home, they are not going anywhere, watching too much of screens will actually make them depressed unknowingly. So the research shows that if the child is playing in dirt, it works as an antidepressant. So it shows that there are bacteria in the soil which triggers a body to make a particular hormone called serotonin, which is used or which helps in calming and stabilizing our moods. So even parents, you can try it for yourself. Just go for a little, at least weekly once. Take your child to a park or a garden where they can really play with the nature, which is very important. For this, is useful for you and your child. And of course, the more closer the child is to the nature, the more happier the child is. Hope this helps you. Let me meet you in the next video. Namaste.